Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make chicken chow mein. And guess what? I'm back! Well, we were making videos, but I didn't really appear in them. So I was like, you know what? We're actually nearing the end of this year. It's been an amazing year. We started our channel this year very early when lockdown began. And we started off with making just videos out of fun. But then we realized we kind of enjoy this. And we was getting a good response, and ever since then it's been 9 or 10 months now, and it's been an amazing experience. We've really been able to share some amazing dishes with you guys, amazing beverages with you guys, and we've also been in good contact with you as well. But more on that, what we're going to do now is we are going to move on to the chicken chow mein recipe now. Okay, so we have one chicken fillet, which has been cut into small pieces. Now in goes 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Like so. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. The soy sauce is already salty, so just a little bit of salt. 1 heaped teaspoon of cornflour. So that goes inside. And 1/2 tablespoon of white vinegar. Now give this a mix, and once you've done that properly, then let it sit for the next 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so it's been mixed really well. So now give it 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll come back to this. So in goes around 2 tablespoons of oil. So the chicken has been marinated, so what we're going to do is just add this all in. Okay. Give it a mix. So we're going to have this on high flame for the next 5 minutes. Now you want to see the color change as you're frying this. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes. It's cooked really well. You can see that the colors have changed. And now we are going to move on to the next steps. Now 2 crushed cloves of garlic goes inside. 1/2 an onion slice. Now let's give this a stir for like the next minute. Give it a good stir. All the flavors are being blended nicely. So this is julienne-cut carrot. 1 carrot goes inside. Okay, so let's give this another stir for like a good minute. Usually carrots take the longest to cook. So this is 1/2 cup of red cabbage. Goes inside. Here we have about 5 mushrooms that are being cut into slices. So this goes inside. With another mix. Okay, so this is 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. This goes inside. Like that. Soy sauce is what makes this dish really special. Like I love having, even after it's made, you know, I love putting it on top of the noodles. Here I have some cane sugar, so I'm just gonna put in like 1 tablespoon worth of this sugar in here. If you have any other sugar, you can put that in if you don't have cane sugar. You can also put in honey as well. That gives you great results. So 1 tablespoon of sugar goes inside. So these are red chili flakes, my favorite. You can just sprinkle that inside. You can also have it later on. I like putting that onto my noodles once I'm actually eating it. So that's also an option as well. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper goes inside. These are 2 spring onions. Okay, so that goes inside. 1/2 capsicum goes inside. So this is 1 green chili. I'm just going to put in 1/2 of this, but you can put in 1 green chili or you can put it to taste. So let me just add this in. Okay, so that's like 1/2 a green chili worth. Actually, that's 1/2 a green chili going inside. Just a mix. Now these are noodles that go on top of everything, and these have been cooked already as per packet instructions. So this goes to towards the end. Okay, so this is how you want to mix it towards the end. Just get a couple of spoons and then just try to mix it accordingly so that you have a good blend of everything, all the mixtures blending together with the noodles. Okay, so towards the end you want to add in some sesame seeds. So I'm going to put in two teaspoons worth. That's 1 and that's 2. This gives it a nice crunchy texture as well, which you can't miss out on. Okay, so this is our own twist time. So what we've got is we've got some cashew nuts over here. Add in like a cup worth of cashew nuts to just kind of give it a bit of a roasting. And what we're going to do is add in a tablespoon of honey to go with the cashew nuts. So it kind of gives it a sweetness, but so it gives it more of a blend of taste that you get. It gives it a layer of taste that you have to appreciate. So we're gonna give it a mix as well. So this is gonna be a little bit sweet, a little bit sticky. It's gonna give it that crunchy texture, So it's all this about those small details. You put attention or you pay attention to those details, you will never go wrong. You're gonna be like, you know what? This is the reason why this particular dish is the best version of me actually having this dish compared to the ones that I've made in the past, if you've ever made it in the past, because you are going an extra mile and the details. Okay, so you can see that the cashew nuts are very nicely brown, golden brownish. The honey's being mixed nicely. So what we're going to do is bring back the chicken chow mein and then place this on top. Oh, it smells absolutely wonderful. This is something that it's so worth it when you go that extra mile. This is some coriander over here. You want to just sprinkle this on top, like so. And that's it. That's the chicken chow mein. Okay, so you saw how to make this chicken chow mein recipe. This is one of my favorite dishes to have, and I'm gonna give it a go. And let me see if I do well in terms of having it with the chopsticks itself. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. What? For a moment, I went into this dream, East Asia, Chinese chow mein. So somewhere in China, in a valley in between mountains, that is the vibes that I'm kind of getting out of this. This was absolutely magnificent. That is chicken chow mein, very rewarding, very delicious. The taste, the flavor, the reason I am so happy, this is exquisite. I will give this easily an 11. Yes, you heard it, an 11 out of 10, because the flavors, I took a bite of the chicken, it's juicy and it's just got so much flavor in it. You take the bite and you just don't know where the flavors are coming from. It's just abundant. So definitely do give this a try. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move on to something very important. I want to give a message to all of you guys that we've reached the end of 2020. It's been a very interesting year. For some, it's been extremely difficult. And sometimes I believe that in the midst of adversity, in the midst of difficulty, it's always nice to do something where, you do something where you share something with people. And we got the opportunity early in this year when, in the UK especially, they said that there's going to be a lockdown. And then the first lockdown that we had went on for a good 4 months. So we didn't really see the light of day in terms of going outside. We stayed at home, and there was a lot of people, from friends, from family, and from people that you view on the news, and their experiences, their personal experiences. And a lot of people were like, we don't know what to do. We're not really able to handle this, seclusion of just going into your home and just staying there. But we decided very early on, just at the beginning of lockdown, that we are going to, make videos. And we started doing that. And thanks to all of you guys that from day one that have been here, and then obviously some of you that then came month by month, subscribed to our channel and our regular viewers, and some of you do really interact, and we've gotten to know some of you guys. We sometimes go into your channels as well, and it's been absolutely amazing just building this relationship with all of you guys virtually. Multiple thousands of people have actually viewed our content. We've been able to, explore various different dishes, and not just dishes that come from the subcontinent or from East Africa, where our parents are from, but dishes from various parts of the world. This has been a tremendous effort from my family. My sister has put in a tremendous amount of work in terms of, editing the content, in terms of shooting a lot of the videos as well, coming up with the preparation in terms of the ingredients. My family are very blessed, mashallah, in terms of cooking. My parents, both of them, have really helped. My mother has helped in a lot of the videos. There was a time when we went to Manchester to see my sister, and she helped with a couple of dishes as well. So this has been a very collaborative effort, and we have been also very, very appreciative of the fact that a lot of people have, commented their requests as well, which has gotten us to open our eyes to cuisines that we weren't even aware of. It's been absolutely incredible. Your support has been so appreciated from us. What I want for 2021, what my family wants, is that we continue this journey that we are on. This is a journey we haven't reached anywhere near the destination we want to reach to, but this is a journey that continues, and we want you to be a part of it. To if some of you have subscribed and haven't really been active, do feel free to sometimes just comment, and if you have any request, we will definitely try our utmost to fulfill your requests. So 2021, we want to give, we want to continue sharing, we want to continue giving to our audience, to our viewers, and we want to just be a part of this community where we interact with one another. And some of the comments have been so wonderful as well. So I really thank you. My family really thanks you from the bottom of our heart. And with that said, do like this video, do hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that notifications bell icon so that you are informed of our releases during the week. And to all of the subscribers of Don Imran.Family Kitchen, we wish you a happy new year. And with that said, catch you in the next one.